The PR Queen and Shawnee Living Magazine, in partnership with Custom Business Growth Solutions and the I Know a Guy, I Know a Gal Greater Lima Facebook group, are excited to offer to you the Lima Business Workshop. We're going to help you to improve the 7 profit-generating areas of your business so that you can make more and stress less. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aaron Bump, and I am a business growth and marketing consultant with Custom Business Growth Solutions. I work with business owners to develop customized marketing and business optimization strategies. So we do market research, competitor research, current client research, and out of all that research and investigation, then we develop how to optimize the business, how to improve the marketing strategies so that the business can increase their profits and make more, but at the same time better serve their clients and customers. Of other business and marketing consultants around that have worked with some major corporations around the world. I primarily focus on local businesses and small to medium-sized businesses. I'm an author and a speaker. I am the author of the book, Generating Lifelong Customers. It's a business owner's guide to increasing the lifetime value of each customer. I've also written 7 different business growth strategy guides, as well as developed the Move Your Business from Work to Wealth business and marketing course for business owners as well. But I want to talk to you about this Lima Business Workshop that we're going to be putting on. You're going to be getting what business owners and corporations spend tens of thousands of dollars for working with a consultant like myself for a fraction of the cost. But of course, there's a catch. Not only is there a catch, but there's a guarantee. So here's the catch. You have to work it out and implement it yourself. We're going to be giving you some great practical strategies and information to improve your business, but you're going to have to figure out how that specifically implements into your business, and you actually have to carry it out. But here's the guarantee. If you do that, if you implement everything that we give you, and you don't make at least 10 times what you pay for these workshops, I will happily refund your money, because I can guarantee you that this stuff works if you implement it. So that's the guarantee that we want to give you. So here's what you're going to get with these workshops. You're going to get 7 sessions of practical business and marketing improvements. Here's what we're going to cover in these 7 sessions. The first session, we're going to cover how to generate more qualified leads. How do you, we're going to help you discover the strategies to attract the right clients and create marketing systems that are measurable, testable, and profitable. The second session, we deal with how to attain more conversions. You're going to learn how to use motivating factors and psychology to get more sales and lock in your ideal clients. The third session deals with how to get greater profit margins. How do you streamline your operations and systems to increase the profit margins in your products and services? Then we'll cover how to increase average transaction amounts. How do you develop the right structures, value webs, and irresistible offers to increase what you have to offer and how much clients are able to purchase from you? The 5th session deals with how to have clients purchase more often. How do you have more repeat business? How do you implement automated yet personal systems that keep clients happy, informed, and coming back for more? Then, how do you lengthen the time that clients stay and do business with you? Again, how do you generate lifelong customers by making into salesmen? You see, most businesses grow by word of mouth, but you can take that to the next level with a great referral generating system. So you're going to get all of this in these 7 sessions, and if you register for all 7 sessions, we're going to give you $100 off. Not only that, but you're also going to get video and audio recordings of each and every session. So if you happen to miss a session, you're still going to get the recordings of it so that you can get that information and implement it into your business. Now, if you're one of the first 10 to register for all 7 sessions, not only do you get the $100 off all the sessions, the video and audio recordings of each session, but I'm going to throw in a free copy of my book, Generating Lifelong Customers, as well as 1 hour of one-on-one consulting time that I normally charge $100 for. Now, that one-on-one consulting time is a time for you and me to sit down and work specifically on a particular area of your business. I recently had these sessions with Dana from Unique Decor, and here's what she had to say about it. She said, I had a meeting this morning with Aaron. The content I received is awesome. Highly recommend. You won't be disappointed with his knowledge. My sales have been booming since the first phone call. I worked with Dana to help implement a referral generating system that she said made a huge difference, immediately a huge difference in her business and generated a lot more business for her. I also had a one-on-one consulting session with Charles from Tri-County Accounting. He said, Aaron, thanks for all your great ideas. Highly recommend you to others. So you're going to get that 1 hour session with me as well as a copy of my book if you're one of the first 10 to register for all 7 sessions of the Lima Business Workshop. So here's the details. It's going to be every Friday from starting on April 26th and going through June 7th. So we got 7 Fridays in a row, starting April 26th through June 7th. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to attend, so we did it at lunchtime. It's going to be 12 to 1 p.m., and it's going to be at the Westgate Conference Room here in Lima, Ohio. Now, included in this, because it's at lunchtime, the cost includes lunch and all your materials, and it's only $49.97 per session. So for $50, you're going to get lunch, all the materials, you're going to get information that's guaranteed to help you improve your business in one of those 7 key areas. If not, the best option is to come to all 7 sessions and also get that $100 off, as well as all the recordings. So for only $250, you get that $100 off plus the video and audio recordings, as well as all this information that's guaranteed to help you grow your business. So if you're not there already, you simply need to go to limabusinessworkshop.com, register today, and be one of the first 10 to register, and you'll get those bonuses as well as that my book and that 1 hour consulting time. So go to limabusinessworkshop.com and register today.